Welcome to DoerHub, a community powered task app where anyone can post or complete broken tasks and get paid. Getting started is easy. You can log in with your email or sign up as a new user in just a few seconds. To create an account, you need to enter your name, email, and phone number and enter your password. If you want, you can also log in with your Google account. I will show you logging with my Google account. If you see the home page, you can now wallet top up. You can able to enable the location. You will see the tasks which are available in your location. If you want to add the task, you can add using this section. Here you have to provide the headline and you have to describe what is the task. And here you have to choose what are the skills required for the task. And here you have to enter the amount you want to pay for the task. And here you can set the deadline. The most interesting part is you can set the radius for within the requester can do the job. Let's get into the another tab. Here you can see the profile. In this profile you can change the Gmail, phone number and everything. And you will see the wallet balance. If you enable the location, it will automatically track the location of your location so that you can easily do the task at your location or you can actually post the task.